Today, we will talk about how to stop drones from flying over your house. Let's have a look at the details. As drones have increased in popularity among hobbyists, it's not uncommon to catch one hanging around the airspace above your property. If you're not a fan, what can you do to protect your privacy and keep drones away from your home? We're here to break down the laws regulating where these unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, can and can't fly and explain what your rights are. Keep watching to find out how you can legally stop drones from flying over your house. Is it legal for a drone to fly over my house? Yes, it's legal, but there are some limitations. Drones are allowed to fly during daylight in uncontrolled airspace below 400 feet, 120 meters. They must not exceed a speed of 100 miles, 160 kilometers per hour. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has exclusive regulation over all navigable airspace, meaning that, so long as the drones are abiding by the rules for either recreational or commercial use, it's legal for them to fly over your home. If a drone is flying over your property and taking pictures and videos of you without your consent, and it is violating the FAA's privacy guidelines, there are some restrictions about where drones can fly, including stadiums and sporting events, airports, government-secured airspaces, and the greater Washington, D.C. area. Can I remove a drone from the airspace above my property? Unfortunately, it's currently illegal to take down a drone flying above your property. Because drones are privately owned property flying in government-regulated airspace, they are federally protected from criminal destruction of all forms, even if they are flying above your home. Interfering with drones that are following FAA rules and regulations by shooting them down or by any other method carries a penalty of up to 20 years in prison. Not only is it illegal to remove a drone from FAA-regulated airspace, but you may be responsible for paying for any damages done to the UAS in any attempt to remove it willfully. If the drone is operated in a reckless or careless manner or causes injury to property or a person, contact local law enforcement. Legal ways to stop a drone from flying over your house. Use signs to mark your property as a drone-free area. You can make or order your own signs that indicate you don't want drones to fly in the airspace above your property. Hopefully, drone pilots will see and heed your warning signs. When making or ordering signs, be careful not to claim that your property is a no-drone zone, as that is inaccurate to the FAA UAS regulations. You can be reported and asked to remove the signage. File a complaint with the FAA if the drone pilot breaks the law. You can report a drone that is breaking FAA rules and regulations by contacting your local flight standards district office. Find your local office location from their website. It's not enough to simply be bothered by a drone over your property to file a complaint. The operator must be violating the laws in some way, such as landing on your property or flying above 400 feet, 120 meters, as outlined by the FAA. Ask the drone pilot to stop flying over your property. Many hobbyists and amateur drone pilots may not realize that their drone use is upsetting them. Politely request that the person does not fly the drone over your property. Unfortunately, a drone pilot does not legally have to comply with your request. Asking nicely definitely increases your chances that they'll be persuaded to avoid your property in the future. Though, lobby for legislation that restricts the use of drones. There are many people with concerns about privacy when it comes to drones. Contact members of Congress or House representatives and ask them to support bills that restrict the use of drones above private property. Or reach out to a special interest group that lobbies against drone usage. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.